Hi guys and dolls, hope you all are enjoying my videos. Today we'll start with the topic one word substitution. So let's get started. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start with very first letter. One who is bad in spelling, that is cacographic. One who is filled with excessive enthusiasm in religious matter, that is bigot or fanatic. A person who has changed his faith, apostate. One who feeds on human flesh, cannibal. One who is blindly devoted to an idea, that's Calvinist. Critical judge of any art and craft, that is connoisseur. One who collects stamp, that is philatelist. One who talks in sleep, somnambuliquist. One who walks in sleep, somnambulist. So many people might have talked in sleep or walked in sleep. Next, one who helps the needy and helpless, Samaritan. One who hates mankind, misanthrope. Lover of mankind, philanthropist. So most people should be lover of mankind. A husband ruled by his wife, henpecked. A noisy, quarrelsome woman, termagant, extremely fond of one's wife, uxorious. A practice of having extramarital relation, adultery, a state of abstention from marriage, celibacy. Practice of marrying more than one husband at a time, that is polyandry. Live-in relationship, that is concubinage. An older woman who is not married, spinster, murder of one's wife, uxoricide. All these 21 one-word substitution words are very good to learn about. So next we move ahead. If you like this video, then hit like, comment and subscribe button. Please click bell icon so that you may get the notification of our next videos. Thank you.